In this quick start tutorial, we'll be learning how to play back a recorded audio track. Let's pick up from the recording of homily that we did in our previous session. See how the track's Record Enable button is still lit? It's flashing at us. We're going to click on it to take it out of record mode. Now let's return to the beginning by click on Return to 0 in the transport window. We'll click Play in the transport window or press the space bar to start our playback. Okay, when you're ready, press stop or press the space bar to discontinue the playback. Save the session if you haven't already, File and Save, or Control-S. If you want to get rid of what you've done, go to the Edit window, select the grabber tool, that's the hand, click on the region, and press Delete on your keyboard. And this concludes our quick start tutorial on how to play back a recorded audio track.